Good afternoon. This is Priyanka Lal. I'm here to introduce you to my new channel on YouTube, The Bakar Vachan. If you go there on YouTube, you will not find any subscribers there because it is brand new. And if you go the next time, you won't find any subscribers there because you did not subscribe. So here is your chance. Go there now and subscribe. The most important agenda for today. Today we are here to celebrate Independence Day. So happy Independence Day to all of you. Some serious topics today, but only today. Next time onwards it will only be Bakar. So since it is Independence Day, I'm so serious, otherwise it will never be, you'll never see me like this, okay? Just yesterday actually, one of my friends sent me one message on WhatsApp. It was a study conducted on several people and they were given to identify certain well-known people who have been a very huge part of our history, Indian history. They have made huge contributions, but we don't know about them. Or maybe we heard about them in our GK classes. We saw their one GK book because obviously there was no selfie culture then. So there were, this experiment was done. The images of people like Vikram Sarabhai and Homi J. Bhabha and many people were not able to identify them because obviously in the media we don't have that many images available. We only saw one in our GK book, and who remembers them? After the exam, they were just kept in some corner. We were discussing that we should be having, we should make our future generation, we should make ourselves aware of these people. And these people have been the building blocks of our society as we know it today. So the moral of all this say is that we should not forget those people who have been part of our life, the society as we know it. Some people get unnoticed. Like quite recently, a very famous person, a very Gyani person passed away. And until some time back, I was not aware of him so much. It was Mr. Rahat Indori, who passed away just 4 days back, and I found out about him. I found out as in I read about him in October because I got a chance to work on his book. Of his books came out in this October. It is in Hindi, Rahat Sahab. You can go and check it and read it if you want to. And I had a chance to work on that book as a writer. Problems that came up, I was not able to do it. But now I always thought I'll get the chance in future because it was not one time thing. It could have happened sometime later also, but now that he has passed away, I don't think it will be happening, and I feel that as my personal loss. And I'm a writer, I get moved by things. What I want to plan to do today, give you few lines which will help you remember him. And not only him, these lines I may have written for him only, but these lines will be applicable for any person who has ever inspired you and you think who can inspire you. Okay? I will not explain, I'll just read it out to you and then I'll give you a small gist what it is. So, when a poet is no more, the one who had told stories of the yore, your hearts whose words had told, whose return you implore. Let his being rest in peace, find his work which had your feelings peace. Spread the word which his pen had held tight. In the wick of your candle, burn his tiny light. Make him your inspiration, he will help your creation. Acquaint him to the coming generation, you know he deserves the veneration. So definitely Mr. Rahat Indori does deserve these lines, and this is for anyone who has ever inspired you. They also deserve to be remembered in the same way, with the same words or words of your own. So My request is we have to make our future generation be aware of the people who have been part of building our nation. Please, it is your duty. It is in your hand. You can't claim that now it is not possible because we don't know about them. We do not have the information. You have Google, you have YouTube, you have my channel on YouTube, the Bakal Vachan. Okay, so we have all the facilities available. We just have to take time and make ourselves and the people in our life aware of them. Now, this is all for today. Happy Independence Day once again. And please don't forget to go see my channel, Bakal Vachan. And if you subscribe, we will definitely meet again.